All right, this is page 11.28. I'm going to show you how to factor our special cases. The difference of squares is a binomial expression. Means I have two parts. 1, 2. Binomial expression. A squared minus B squared. And when it's like that, it's going to be A plus B. Don't know why it's not writing. A plus B and A minus B. That's what your answer will look like. So, if I have x squared, I know it's x plus x, or x times x. If I have 81, I know that it is 9 times 9. So then I'm just going to put these into two groups. X plus 9, x minus 9. So we're factoring just like we've been doing. These are just special ones. So to do this one, the 9 is a 3 and a 3. X squared is xx. And 100 is 10 times 10. So I'm going to say 3x in the front plus 10. And then 3x minus 10. Same here. I'm going to have 4 and 4, x and x, 3 and 3, and y and y. So I'm going to say 4x in the front plus 3y. And then the second one is 4x minus 3y. If a term has a common factor, factor it out. Factor out the GCF before finding the difference of squares. So, we're going to do what we did before. 8 is 4 and 2 prime, 2 and 2 prime prime. So I'm going to write 2 times 2 times 2 times y because I got a y squared right there. Negative 1 and 200. 10 and 10. Nope. 10 and 20. 5 and 2 prime. 4 and 5. 2 and 2. And I got to list all of those. Negative 1. 1, 2, 3. I've got 3 2s. 1, 2, 3, 5, 5. Whew. All right. So what do we have that's the same? 2. I have 3 groups of 2. So 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. So I'm going to write 8. And then left on top, I have y squared. And left on the bottom, negative 1 times 5 is negative 25. Now, I'm going to do what I just did a second ago and say y, 5, 5, 8 goes in the front, y plus 5, y minus 5. All right. All right, on number 5, we're going to break down the 48. Let's say 6 times 8, 3 and 2, 4 and 2, 2 and 2, and then I'm going to have 3 x's, so, oops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I broke all that down. Let's break down the 12, negative 1 and 12, 4 and 3, 2 and 2, so negative 1, 2, 2, 3, x. Now I'm going to circle what they have in common. They have a group of 2's, a group of 2's, a group of 3, and a group of x's. 2 times 2 times 3 times x is 12x. So in the front, I have a 12x. And then left on top, 2, 2, x, x. 2 times 2 is 4, x squared negative 1. That's all I have. Minus 1. Break this down. I get 2, 2xx. 12x goes in front. To break the negative 1 down, it's just negative 1 and 1. So x, and then I'm going to say 2x plus 1 and 2x minus 1. All right, let's do one more like this. 8, 4 and 2, 2 and 2. So I've got 2 times 2 times 2, and then there's 3 m's. Negative 1, 128. This can break down into 16 and 8. The 16 is a 4 and a 4, and a 2 and a 2, and a 2 and a 2. 8 is 2 and 4, and 2 and 2. Ooh, a lot. All right, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Negative 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and an M. All right, what do they have in common? 1 group, 2 groups. Oops, I missed one. 3 groups, and an M. Okay, 2 times 2 times 2 times M. That gives me an 8M. So 8M goes in front. On top, I'm left with M squared. Minus, on the bottom, I'm left with negative 1. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 16. So negative 16. This breaks into M and M. 4 and 4. 8M. M plus 4. M minus 4. All right, what do we do if it tells you to factor the perfect square? Well, that's super easy. X plus 7 squared, I just write x plus 7, x plus 7. Done. Factor this one, x minus 25, x minus 25. Those are super easy because the squared is on the outside. All right. Copy these down, and then I will leave instructions for what you need to do to practice.